Bonjour mes étudiants. In this video, we are going to learn how to tell what languages we speak and even what languages someone else speaks. So, let's get started.
Je parle hindi, anglais et français. If you are multilingual, it will definitely add weight to your CV and will help you get more job opportunities in your domain. Another cool reason for learning French, right? So here, parle is actually the conjugation of the regular ER verb parler, which means to speak. Can we try conjugating the verb parler now? Let's give it a shot.
Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Now, you already know how to say I speak, but you would also need to know what various languages are called in French. In the table here, you can see that the first column lists languages in English. In the second column, we can see what those languages would be called in French. And in the third column, you see the countries in which these languages are spoken. In this table, can you see that French is spoken not only in France but also in other countries like Canada, Switzerland, and more. French is actually the official language in 29 countries. These countries belong to the community of French speaking countries in the world, which are known as La Francophonie. Now, some of the Francophone countries are Belgique, Cameroon, Luxembourg, Senegal, Canada, Tunisia, Cambodia, etc. Also, did you know that in 1880, French geographer Onésime Reclus gave the word francophonie to refer to the community of people and countries who were using the French language. Interesting to know a few facts, isn't it? Now, coming back to what we were learning, how would we use these languages in sentences? All these languages will be used in a sentence the same way as I had used Hindi, anglais et français. You can say je parle chinois to say I speak Chinese. You can also say je parle français et russe to say I speak French and Russian. See, this isn't difficult at all. So similarly, you may use these languages with all the other forms of verb parler. For example, you may want to say elle parle espagnol. This would be she speaks Spanish.
Since names of countries, nationalities, and their languages are often similar, it may be confusing to remember which ones have gender and which ones change as per gender. Remember that in French, names of the countries have gender. Some countries are masculine, some are feminine, and some are even plural. The nationalities change as per the gender. For example, we did Andien for male subject and Ndien for females, while languages do not have gender.
Now, here is a question for you. Do languages have gender like nationalities, etc.? Answer in the comment section below. One lucky winner would receive an Internshala trainings merchandise. Hope you enjoyed learning about how to tell what languages we speak or someone else speaks. This video is a part of Internshala Training's French language program, and to learn one of the world's most popular languages, visit the link in the description. To learn exciting new concepts and skills on the go, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red bell icon and stay tuned for more videos.